Okay, so now we're going to solve this long division problem using partial products. Here's a problem right here. I'm dividing a one-digit number into a four-digit number, so let's give it a shot. I always work left to right. 5 cannot go into 3, but it can go into 32. How many times? If I do my 5 times table, it goes into it 6 times. Now, normally you'd put the 6 here, but I'm going to put it out here, okay? Now, then you say to yourself, what about the 9, 4? Are we going to pretend they don't exist? No, we're not. We're going to replace the 9, 4 here with two placeholders, which of course are zeros. So that's going to be 600 on the right side. Now I multiply 6 times 5, and I get 30. The 30 is going to go here, bringing down the two zeros, of course, because it's really hundreds. I'm going to subtract 3294 minus 3,000, which gives me 294. Now I repeat the same steps in the process. 5 can't go into 2, but it goes into 29 5 times. I put the 5 here. I replace the 4 with a 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Bring down the 0. I got 250. I subtract. That gives me 44. And I start again. 5 can't go into 4, but it can go into 44. How many times? 8. Put the 8 over here. And that's all I can do because 44 is already low enough. I'm not going to make it an 80 because that's too big for 44. So I'm going to just multiply 5 times 8, which is 40. Subtract again. Now what do you know? I have a 4 down here, which is smaller than 5, which means I can't do anything else. 5 can't fit into 4, and there's nothing I can do to make it big enough to. So this is going to be my remainder. So I just add up these three numbers. I could do it mentally, and I get 658. And my remainder will be 4. Just to prove that this is correct, I'm going to multiply the 650. Of course, it would really go up here. 658. Remainder 4 would really go above the bar. But I'm going to just check it by multiplying to make sure I did it right. So I'm going to multiply the big outside number, 658, times the outside number, which is 5. So I'm going to do that. That's what I got so far. Now I'm going to, let's see. Yeah. Now I'm going to, let's see, 8 times 5 is 40. Got to carry the 2 rather. Because that didn't look right. So I have 3290. Now I add the 4 that's the remainder. 3290 plus 4 is 3294, 3,294. And what do you know? It matches perfectly. So I know I did it right. So I'm going to zoom out so you can see the whole thing. You could pause it if you need to. And those are the steps. All right.